very difficult to be vegan if you're Filipino, is what many people will tell you. And although that may be true for some, it's not the case for the Bay Area because despite popular belief, there's one Filipina chef making moves. I'm Eunice and I'm going to tell you about Chef Reina, her story, and all about her food.
This is the brunch of your dreams.
Hi, my name is Reina and I'm the chef owner of Chef Reina in Brisbane, California. I started my vegan journey in 2016 when my daughter had some skin allergies, and I looked it up online and it said that dairy had a direct relation to skin disease, and as soon as she quit dairy, her skin problems went away. And I dove into the internet and saw all these documentaries about animal cruelty and just how meat is really bad for you, and so I turned vegan overnight. And at that time I owned a meat heavy serving restaurant, and I decided a year later to change it to vegan, and we were embraced by the community and we had a line every single night. And after the pandemic we had to close it down, and I decided in 2021 to open my own restaurant as myself, Chef Reina. So here we are in Brisbane, California.
I'm beyond excited because I'm at the one and only Chef Reina's in the Bay Area. She's in Brisbane, just a tiny bit south of San Francisco City itself. You guys, you have to come here because vegan Filipino food is like just not common to be found, and she makes everything. All the meats in-house. She's got the tocino, she's got the lechon, she's got the special things like birria tacos and eggs benedict, ube pancakes, everything you can dream of and more. So, I'm starving. So I'm gonna start, and I cannot resist. I'm looking at the tocino, you guys. It has this beautiful red color. So tocino is usually pork. As you know, Filipino food tends to be heavy with pork, but here there's none of that. She makes her own meat. This is of soy meat. Then, okay, garlic rice. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna take a giant bite because there's no better way. I'm literally in heaven right now. Something I love about all of her food is that you have a little bit of everything. There's also birria tacos. You gotta dunk this in the consomme that she makes in-house as well. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Listen, when Chef Reina was back there telling me, I cannot wait for you to try my birria tacos because everybody tells me that it tastes like the real thing. You guys, she's not kidding. Oh my gosh, this is so good. The birria is made out of tofu skin, so yuba. It's the perfect amount of crispiness. It has delicious cheese. It's filled to perfection. The ratio of filling to crunchy tortilla, perfect. Some people can overdo it sometimes. Oh my gosh, this is so good. All right, so next we got the crab cake benedict, you guys, made out of artichokes, again in-house. But there is a nice little vegan and bacon here. Okay, cheers. Look, I'm not even halfway through all this food. I'm already here just to tell you, just come here. You will not be disappointed. Oh my gosh, I literally feel like I'm in Disneyland right now. You know what? Disneyland wishes that they had her food here. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Now it's time for the vegan lechon, which is vegan pork belly. And she makes it out of konjac root and soy, but it looks like pork belly. It's kind of crazy. This is really good. Let me tell you why. I've had other vegan pork bellies and they almost taste too dense because sometimes they use like a lot of starch for like to imitate, you know, the fat. Which, don't get me wrong, the fat is chewy, but this is like perfect. It's not like, you're not like over chewing. Okay, so I've been eyeing these skewers since she was making them or preparing them, and they're just glistening with the perfect amount of sauce. And it's charred. It looks like meat. You could fool anybody with this. Anyone. All right, cheers. If I ever get married, I might want her to cater my wedding. You can't have Filipino food without lumpias, okay? There's two kinds. There's lumpia Shanghai, which is the ones with meat. And that one is she gets a sweet and sour sauce for that one. So let's try that one first. They're the skinnier ones, the smaller ones. Staple. And then all veggie lumpias. I'm dipping in the other with chili sauce. For those who think that you can't make vegetables flavorful, they're wrong. This is so good. Everything is flavored to perfection. And last but not least, you have to enjoy dessert, okay? Ube pancakes. Say no more. This is the brunch of your dreams, okay? Also open for lunch and dinner. It's takeout, but there's this cute space to eat back here. She has pop-ups because she supports the vegan community. Right now, there's this bomb pop-up selling pecan pie and everything, and they don't have refined sugar or anything. Oh my gosh, it's a beautiful business that she's doing. It's activism, showing people that you don't have to give up the food you grew up with, and you can make it plant-based, healthy, vegan. So I highly encourage you to give Chef Reina a try when you're in the Bay Area. Even if you're not vegan, just do it. You will love her food. Love it. Well, on that note, I'm gonna keep feasting, so make sure to check her out.